Oh, hello. Once again, Sir Mohsin is here to help you regarding the case of model should. This is the review class of all the previous chapters, like at least, should with, after all, in order to, being a, so that, because, WH, adverbs, in order to, tenses, double model, if, imperative expression, and so many much more. So I hope so. Are you ready? If you are ready, subscribe this channel, forward it, comments, and like everybody. In this case about the movement, about the case of the should is very simple, very simple. For example, the simple should: you should take medicine, आपको दवाई लेनी चाहिए. You should go for namaz, आपको नमाज के लिए जाना चाहिए. You should talk to me, आपको मुझसे बात करनी चाहिए. You should respect everyone, आपको सबकी इज्जत करनी चाहिए. At least you should go there, कम से कम आपको वहाँ जाना चाहिए. After all, he is my brother, I should help him. आखिर वो मेरा भाई है, मुझे उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए. In the case of being an English language teacher, I should speak English with everybody. एक English language teacher होने के नाते मुझे सबसे English में बात करनी चाहिए. In the case of in order to, that means to say Sir Mohsin is getting fat. In order to lose the weight, he should start exercise. Sir Mohsin बहुत मोटे हो रहे हैं, अपना weight lose करने के लिए इन्हें exercise करनी चाहिए. Your English is weak. In order to improve, you should join my class. In the case of because, for example, you should take medicine because you are ill. आपको दवाइयाँ लेनी चाहिए क्योंकि आप बीमार हैं. In the case of the WH family, as I have already told you, this is the review class. So whatever I have taught you, all the previous data videos, I will be connecting everything in the same video. What, where, when, who, how, why. For example, where should I park my car? मुझे अपनी गाड़ी कहाँ खड़ी करनी चाहिए? What should I do now? अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? When should I come to Pakistan? मुझे पाकिस्तान कब आना चाहिए? Why should I upload this video? मुझे ये वीडियो अपलोड क्यों करनी चाहिए? It was something like this. In the case of the next video about this, like double sense of should, for example, you should join my class and learn English. आपको मेरी क्लास शुरू करनी चाहिए, ज्वाइन करनी चाहिए और इंग्लिश सीखनी चाहिए. You should take medicine and join your office soon. आपको दवाइयाँ लेनी चाहिए और ऑफिस जल्द अज जल्द ज्वाइन करना चाहिए. In the case of the if, it is very much simple. For example, if you have a car, you should drop me. अगर तुम्हारे पास गाड़ी है तो तुम्हें मुझे ऑफिस ड्रॉप कर देना चाहिए. In the case of the imperative expression is talking about the same thing. Switch off your mobile and you should pay attention on your paper. मोबाइल ऑफ कर दीजिए, आपको अपने पेपर पे तवज्जो देनी चाहिए. So this was talking about the case of the so that means to say ताकि. Okay, ताकि that means to say you should wait for boss so that you could meet him. आपको बॉस का वेट करना चाहिए ताकि आप उनसे मिल सके. So these were few examples regarding the case of the previous chapter of should, and that's why I told everything in the Urdu translation, so it would be very much easy for you to understand. If you are new in this channel, if you are just my viewer, so this is really not a good thing. Please subscribe this channel and then watch my video, then forward, then like, then comments. As again I am saying to you, if you don't understand this video, repeat this video again and again and again so that you could understand everything very easily. Me myself, Mr. Mohsin is here saying bye to everybody with a great love. Hope so that you should forward this channel and like the video with subscribe. Thank you with a great love.